Hello and welcome to Raum Precision from Republic of Korea. Since our establishment in 2012, we have been setting new standards in precision machining, producing and supplying core components for the energy, defense, aerospace, and industrial plant industries. Though small in scale, Raum Precision is built on extensive experience, advanced technology, and innovative thinking. With years of technical expertise and precision machining, we produce high-precision components for diverse industries. As a secondary partner of Tech, we specialize in high-precision machining of difficult materials, such as Inconel and titanium, used in submarine propulsion systems, narrow rocket engine parts, and next-generation nuclear power machinery. We also deliver high-performance components to major machine tool manufacturers, contributing to the growth and precision of Korea's industrial sector. At Raum Precision, we focus on producing critical parts used in industrial automation systems and plant equipment, including shafts and rolls that require the highest level of accuracy. Our facility is equipped with advanced CNC lathes and horizontal boring machines, allowing us to handle large and complex components such as long shafts, rolls, and gear housings with both precision and stability. Let's take a closer look at our key equipment. The Protect 750B large conventional lathe offers a maximum swing diameter of 750 millimeters and a machining length of 4,000 millimeters. The HPL 900 large conventional lathe features a 900 millimeter swing diameter and a 5,000 millimeter machining length. Our CNC horizontal boring machine, Protect 6N7NA7NB, supports a 750 millimeter swing and 4,000 millimeter machining length. The Huachin Mega 72S 3000 E8 CNC horizontal boring machine provides a 720 millimeter swing and 3,000 millimeter machining length. Finally, the Protect 6N7NA7NB extended type handles cylindrical machining of industrial components with exceptional accuracy. At Raum Precision, our core values are customer satisfaction, technological leadership, and continuous innovation. We will continue to move forward as a trusted leader in precision machining, creating greater value and innovation together with our clients.